Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today I've got an exciting video. We are putting the LS, the 2002 Tahoe 5.3 in the Jeep Grand Wagoneer, building motor mounts, getting the transmission all bolted up, getting tranny lines done, all that kind of stuff in as a push to get ready for the Heroes and Hot Rods car show that I'll put up here in the corner and down in the description so you don't have to stop the video to go watch it. All right, let's get to work. Alright guys, so I needed to obviously get the exhaust bolt out of here that had broken, so that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, now for the moment you've all waited for. Here it is. We are throwing the motor in. This was so exciting because we have waited several weeks to see this come together. Basically, I am going to be rolling around on the ground here in just a second trying to get the trans and the engine lined up together. It took probably an extra 15 minutes longer than it should have. I cut a lot of that out for you guys so it wasn't boring. Oh, guys, isn't that exciting? It's in and bolted to the trans, but no torque converter hookup or anything like that. Alright guys, if you look here, you can see that the mounts almost line up perfectly with the factory mounts.
Hey, what's up? Ryan here, working on the Jeep LS swap, helping out with a few odds and ends. Quick rundown of some things I did today. Pulled off that big old engine-driven fan. Got some tranny cooler lines. The factory tranny cooler lines run up and ready to kind of connect up to this tranny cooler we have hiding in here. Looks like a factory Jeep tranny cooler, so that's cool. And up under here, we slid the engine and tranny back a little bit. Got it blocked up, so we're kind of set up for where the motor mounts are going to end up. Then once everything is bolted in place, once the motor mounts are built, you can start putting manifolds on and wiring and all that, and then work on the next step. Hopefully have it pretty well put together by the weekend. So today is Tuesday, probably be back out here tomorrow doing some more work. Cool. One thing I forgot to add, how cool is this? Factory power steering lines thread right into the gearbox here. No big deal. Gotta love that. All right, catch you guys later. Hey guys, Ryan here, working on the Jeep LS swap again. It's Wednesday, making a ton of progress today. Got the factory cooler lines from the LS transmission run up to the factory cooler for the Jeep. Got the starter in. Let's see, what else? Working on shift linkage right now. Got these cool little joints we're gonna use on some rod and fab up a little bracket to hold the original shifter linkage from the Jeep here. So I'm going to set you guys up and we'll do a time lapse of making this bracket.
All right, guys, big thanks to Ryan Bratton for getting us this far. I got both engine mounts done. They are welded up and mounted. Can't see them down there, I'm sure. Got the transmission tightened. Now I'm fixing to throw the intake on and we'll get a look at this thing. Guys, these little things right here will change your life. It's a quick connect for the fuel line. Connects right to the GM fuel rails. So I'm going to go ahead and get these put on now. And they're 3/8 inlet, so they fit right up to that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks to all of our subscribers that have been here a long time, and welcome to all the new guys. You can find us daily updates on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and we post here every week, Tuesday and Friday. Thanks, guys.